Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Balisong tutorial. And for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys another Balisong loop for beginner, and this Balisong loop named half helix loop. So in this tutorial I'm gonna use my CD Balisong right here. So let's get started. And for the move, it's gonna be like this. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, before you do the trick, you're gonna start with the bite handle, and then the first trick you do, that you gonna do a wrist pass. To do a wrist pass, simply just throw your safe handle to the right, and then again to the left, and then just like that. Instead, you open your Balisong like this. Again, just throw to the right and then throw to the left. When you throw to the left, prepare to put your index finger here on the back of the bite handle, like this. Again, from the beginning, throw to the right and then throw to the left. Throw to the left. I'm sorry, throw to the right and then throw to the left, and then put your index finger here on the back of the bite handle. And then after this, that just continues the motion, and then the safe handle gonna swing like this and continues the motion about you gonna doing index rollover like that. That you're gonna end up with this position that you're gonna pinch your bite handle with your thumb and your index finger. Again, just throw your safe handle to the right and then again throw to the left, and then put your index finger here on the back of the bite handle, and then let it roll like that. And then you're gonna going into this position like this, and then after you get into this position, just turn going up like this. And then so after this, after going up and then going down, so that's gonna give you the bite handle, so that's gonna give you the sharp side of the blade. So to avoid that, you're gonna do a twist. Twist gonna be like this. Again, going up and then twist your bite handle like this. And then after do a twist, and then after do a twist after that, and then after you do a twist again, you do a thumb roller like this. So that's a one motion that you're gonna start the loop all over again from the beginning again. But now that you're gonna start with you're gonna start from the safe handle. For And from the beginning you're gonna start with the byte handle, and then now you're gonna start with the save handle, and again that you just continues the motion, and again put your index finger here on the back. Now you put on the back of the save handle, and then do index rollover like that. You're gonna pinch like this, and then going up and going down. So but now that's gonna give you the dual side of the blade. But yeah, you're gonna do a twist again like this. So again you're gonna do thumb rollover like that. So yeah, that's you're gonna do you're gonna start all over again from the beginning. Yeah, you're gonna start from the beginning, just like you start with the byte handle like this. And then yeah, that's a one loop. So again you're gonna start from the beginning like this. I'm sorry. Yeah, again from the beginning the move gonna be like this. Alright, that's pretty much for today's tutorial, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.